Now I'm need to driver official, Canon official Wifi, and this here your type the driver the look, and that's why I insert the official website for you. And this is the official website. Click here. What? Loading. Okay. This here the website for driver download. There are three driver download for the system operation for the Linux, for the Mac, and for the Windows. And this here I am click for the Linux. And you select operating system version. You click here. This here operating system version, and this here the release update that, and this here for Mac. And operating system version you click here. Here the operating system version file for the Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac 8, and for the Mac and the Mac 11 0 driver for Mac, and this is the driver for Windows, and this like operating system you click here. Operating system version for the Windows and the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, and Windows Server, Windows 9, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server again. And this video, I'm download drive for Windows 11 and click here drive for Windows 11 and please wait website loading, and this is the release update title, and you looking the that new release update, and I am recommendation for you download package here and package driver the download package for much include driver for the scanner, for the printer, for the Wi-Fi. This here the much include for the driver. If you need a driver print and scan only, not much include driver. This here the print driver for printing and scanner, and printing and scanner only, not Wi-Fi, and not too much tool for package driver. Okay, this video you need to load driver for the full driver and software package. Click here. Driver, this is the outline and operating and system requirement for the Windows 11 support, and this is setup instruction install, and you read here, and this is the field information. If you need download, you click here. I have read the agree to the terms of the disclaimer. Okay, you click here and click on download, and this what driver download. This one loading. Okay, this here driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please while the finish driver download, you click run as driver. This here you click run as driver, or click run driver run the automatic the download, automatic the install for the cable USB printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.